Here's to the river and the catfish I hope it brings us. Greetings, Basquatch Nation.
Hey.
I'm Cody.
I'm Alex.
And this is the river. You already knew that though. But we're going to try our hand at some catfishing. And there's probably some stripey fish in there too. So hang tight and enjoy the show. Okay. I got my 9.5 foot whisker seeker rod. Spool with 65-pound whisker seeker braid, 60-pound whisker seeker leader, number 6 or a 6/0 J hook with a hybrid sunfish on it. Good luck, buddy. On reels that you care about, especially ones with heavy drags like your catfish rods and stuff like that, turn your drag off, back it way off, because what it'll do is it'll crush the drag washers flat, even carbon ones. This reel has carbon drag washers in it, and if they get crushed and they get flat, then they won't drag. Your drag system's effed. I got this drag tight as I can get it, and look, I am because I forgot to back this one off. Dude, I'm so upset with myself because I religiously back the drags off and take care of my reels. And I totally forgot the last time I was fishing. This one is the same setup as the other, as my other big rod, same exact setup, except this is a Ambassador 6600 C4. I hope I don't regret throwing this rod out with a bum drag. I'm casting Alex's rod out for her. She's got a 7-foot medium heavy rod. This is one of my old setups I built for her. Abu Garcia 6000. Super tuned. 65-pound whisker seeker braid. 40-pound leader. And a sunfish head.
Yeah.
That's a white bass.
I caught a fish.
White bass.
Ha! That's my first one.
Actually,
Is it a striped
it's
bass?
a wiper.
I caught a wiper! I caught one!
You did.
I caught one!
See?
Yeah!
Angry little guy.
Dude. I caught a hybrid striped bass. Look at him. He's a fish. I did it!
Nice job. 35 centimeters. 14 and a half.
14 and a half. Okay.
Very cool.
Solid.
Very cool. Some people have all the luck.
I got something. Oh. Oh, scary. That was scary.
Was it?
Yeah. Is it doing gar things?
Yeah.
I want gar.
Here really appeared that a gar hit it, but you never know. Oh yeah, that was a gar. He is sliced up. Can you see it?
Watching one of our favorite YouTubers, Mr. Bates. He's got some cool videos. Go watch him.
Go ahead, chunk out on my screwed up freaking reel. Oh, I can't believe that. That's hooked in its side. Looks like silver carp. I don't want to be wearing that hook. This is a silver carp.
Very silver.
Very. Little bitty thing, man. He did it like a great friend.
He's so cute.
He hit it so hard.
I'm a big fish. Wow.
You got spines down there. Oh!
Cody's rod that has no drag, guys.
Oh! Hoo, hoo, hoo.
Come on, come on. Shit.
It's got drag. This is a big cat. Woo.
Oh.
It's a monster. Get the grippers. Holy shit! It's gotta be 30-40 pounds.
Whoa.
Holy crap! It's a flathead!
Oh my god.
Please,
I have
Lord.
grippers in my hand.
Please, Lord. Oh my goodness.
I have grippers. Holy.
Yeah!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Nice. Nice.
My goal! My lifelong goal for catfish is a 20-pounder.
It's so big. Oh my god. Ah!
Yeah, baby! Yeah!
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's freaking massive! Don't get poked in the eye, please. That is awesome!
You stink.
I don't think, you want to try your scale? You want to
Yeah.
weigh him?
Yeah, grab it.
Is it out?
Yes!
Nice.
Yeah.
It can't even,
Nope.
it can't even read it.
Overload.
Yeah.
33.
34.
30. It's 34.
34. I got it. Oh, he looks so heavy. Oh my god, I can't grab him. He's so heavy. He's so big. Ah! Straighten your tail, sir.
All right, big boy. Thanks for the opportunity, man. You recording?
Yeah.
What's your phone? Yeah. Woo! I can retire.
Yay! You did it!
I topped my goal by 15 pounds.
You did it!
I need a bigger scale. And that was on the one with the drag problem.
Yeah.
Apparently it works.
I literally, like, while I'm recording, I'm like,
Yeah.
Cody, this is Cody's rod that doesn't have any.
Woo! Basquatch, baby. Yes. That's the biggest catfish you've ever seen? Dude, I can't believe that, you guys.
It's raining. Feel it?
Yeah. Probably didn't need to buy worms.
Set them free.
No, I'm at least gonna give them the chance to live at my house.
Like the other ones in the fridge?
Yeah, they like it.
Remember, source local bait.
Stay wild.
Stay wild. Like, subscribe, share. Stay wild. Okay, backflip.
All right, Basquatch. Sorry, there's gonna be noise because I'm
Moving like you always
handling the camera with my hand.
do. Like he always does.
What a day. We're being chased off by rain right now. It's starting to rain. And we're gonna go get a celebratory dinner
Yeah.
because
Cody caught his best flathead.
35 pounds plus, 35 plus.
Our scale topped out.
The scale was bouncing, our 25-pound scale was bouncing between 34.3 and overload. So we're just gonna say 35. I don't want to exaggerate it.
That was massive flathead.
Massive, dude. That was awesome. So,
I caught a wiper.
and Alex caught the first fish. No, I caught a baby white bass.
You caught a
But
baby.
she caught a wiper, her first wiper
Yay!
ever. So that's pretty cool. You don't see them a hell of a lot. But we just hit 100 subscribers.
Yay! Thank you.
Thank you. Couldn't have done it without you guys.
Right.
Our goal isn't to get paid for it. We just want to share our love for the outdoors and for Missouri with everybody.
For
So,
sure.
we hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for another one. Follow our Instagram page for, I post frequently on there.
Yeah.
So, until next time, what do they do?
Stay wild.